Hello everybody, hope you're doing well and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're learning how to fix no sound problem in RedMI Note 10 Pro Max. Well, open up your settings, go to additional settings, then tap on accessibility, go to hearing, turn mono audio on. Go back to settings and go to sound and vibration. Adjust your volume and go to sound assistant. Turn the first option off and other options on. And that should fix your sound issues on RedMI Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And we will see you in the next tutorial.